How to drive moles out of your yard. Moles cause chaos in a yard when their tunnels and burrows uproot plants and make unsightly humps in a lawn. While there are many poisons and traps available for purchase to kill moles, it is just as effective and more humane to use natural methods to drive them away. The traditional home remedy of using castor oil to drive moles away is cost-effective and successful. Things you'll need: castor oil, dish soap, empty plastic bottle, bucket. Pour 6 ounces of castor oil into a small plastic bottle with a screw-on cap. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and shake to mix well. Pour 1 ounce of the concentrate into a large bucket and add 1 gallon of water. Pour the mixture over the entire lawn, making more repellent if necessary. Tips: warnings. Repeat the repellent application process after any rainfall.